For the past 6 years, SolarQuotes has celebrated excellence in the solar industry with the coveted SolarQuotes Awards. These awards recognize the best of the best, and previous winners have earned their place here in the SolarQuotes Hall of Fame. Today, we induct our newest member into this distinguished alumni. Welcome to the SolarQuotes Hot Water Heat Pump of the Year Award 2026. Today we will be crowning the best hot water heat pump in Australia in 2026. To decide this award, we asked over 600 professionals from the SolarQuotes network all over Australia one question. If you were going to put a hot water heat pump on your own house, what brand and products would you use? 89 installers responded, and unfortunately, the winner isn't able to make it into the Hall of Fame today, but they are able to join us on the line. Can you please make welcome the 2026 SolarQuotes Hot Water Heat Pump of the Year, iStore.
Thank you. It's great to be with you.
Now, it's a real shame you can't make it into the Hall of Fame today. Is everything okay?
I wish I could be there, Finn, but I have a slightly embarrassing little problem at the moment. Water retention. It makes it hard to leave the house.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that, but let's cut straight to the chase. It looks like you've really flushed out the competition and in the process scored one of the highest ratings we've ever seen in the SolarQuotes Awards. How does that make you feel?
Wow. It fills me with a warm feeling inside. 60 degrees Celsius to be precise. I'm humming, but very quietly.
I must say, iStore, it looks like you've really found a niche for yourself in the Australian market. How have you achieved that?
Not sure. Is it my looks?
Don't think so.
Is it my discreet presence?
Probably not.
Flexibility?
Not so much, iStore. You know you're a large immovable object, don't you? No, I think they like you because you're really good value for money. You're not too cheap, but you're not too expensive. And the installers really like you because you're easy to install.
Simple and cheap? That's how you describe me?
Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Let me explain. When you apply the full rebate, you can be fully installed for $3,000 to $4,000.
Is that good?
Oh, that's really good. I mean, if you're heating hot water conventionally, the hot water energy cost can be up to 25% of your energy bills. You can have a nice long shower with you, iStore, and not feel guilty. You even get a happy ending when you get the bill.
So I'm hot and cool at the same time.
Another reason why you're so popular with the installers is how easy you are to install. Other heat pumps, they have complicated plumbing, they have separate compressors, and you've got to hardwire them, and that's expensive. With you need a hot connection, you need a cold connection, and then you just plug your 230 volt plug straight into a regular socket. And you were designed right here in Australia.
That's right, Finn. I'm a true blue, dinky dye, 100% Aussie heat pump possums, and proud of it.
That's right, you were designed here and your parent company is Australian, but you were made in China. The Guangdong Phoenix Eco Energy Solution heat pump factory, I believe.
Oh well, as long as I find myself in a good home, that's the main thing.
That's the spirit, iStore. You bring warmth to showers and baths all over Australia. And in other happy news, your brother, the iStore battery, rocketed to number 3 in the awards this year. So with you and all your brothers and sisters out there, you're really preferred by a lot of consumers who just want a one-stop shop and one app to control everything.
I'm totally heat pumped to hear that.
Glad to cheer you up, iStore. And if you're looking for a hot water heat pump for your home and don't know where to start, just come to SolarQuotes. We'll hook you up with a dinky dye Aussie heat pump installer who can install a great heat pump like iStore or one of his competitors and give you 3 competitive quotes. Just go to SolarQuotes, pop in your postcode, and we'll do the rest. I'm Finn Peacock. Thanks for watching.